Hi everyone! Welcome to Catrina's Cooking. Today, let's make something sweet and sour drink, a refreshing and citrusy juice. It is called Calamansi juice, a Filipino healthy drink. Today's recipe is very easy. I will show you how to make a delicious calamansi juice drink, a refreshing and nutritious drink. First of all, what is calamansi juice? A calamansi juice is derived from a calamansi fruit. This is a calamansi fruit, also known as Philippine lime. The juice of this fruit is naturally very sour, and my daughter loves to eat calamansi fruit. Calamansi fruit is a small, very round citrus fruit that is found anywhere in the Philippines. In the Philippines, calamansi is widely used in making a sauce, flavoring the food, and most especially as a healthy beverage. You can make easily calamansi juice at home. Here is what we need.
25 calamansis, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 4 1/2 cups of cold water, or you may use warm water.
We're going to slice the calamansi fruit into half in making calamansi juice. This is now our sliced calamansi fruit. In this recipe, we only need 3 ingredients. After slicing the calamansi fruit, by using your hands, squeeze out as much juice as possible from the calamansi fruit into a strainer. This is now our fresh calamansi juice. 25 calamansi fruit is equivalent to 1/2 cup of calamansi juice. Once finished squeezing the calamansi fruit, I'm going to pour the fresh calamansi juice to the water, then stir. Once stirred, add brown sugar to the fresh calamansi juice with water, and then mix thoroughly so that it will be well combined the ingredients and you can have a delicious healthy drink. Calamansi juice is very healthy and nutritious drink. It is one of my favorite drinks and I really love to make fresh fruit juice because it's really delicious, and I encourage you to drink calamansi juice because it will help you to boost your immune system and also it fights against diseases. This is now my calamansi juice. Let's taste! So yummy and delicious. It's really sweet and sour drink. The flavor is well blended and I'm sure you will love this. Baby love, how's your calamansi juice?
It's good. It's delicious. Come on.
If you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. Enjoy the benefits of this juice. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.